Catasauqua Hospital are always peaceful, but that isn't the case anymore. You see, a new surgeon was hired and her resume isn't exactly truthful. She has no clue what she's doing, and honestly, no one has any idea how she even got this job. But somehow she got to perform surgery on her first day, and this is how it went.
I know what you could do! Go to Arch Medical Solutions!
Why didn't I think of that?
Let her in!
Well, I'm the guy. Let's go!
Arch Medical Solutions is a nationwide manufacturing company that turns basic materials into life-saving parts. Arch Medical Solutions specializes in orthopedic, spine, dental, surgical, robotic, and medical device production. It's safe to say that Arch Medical is at the top of its game, so we're here in Whitehall, PA to show you what's so cool about manufacturing.
I use a CNC lathe, I program that, and it uses special cutting tools to manufacture parts for a bunch of different industries. The work that I'm doing here I know has a direct impact on different industries. The parts are put to good use and some really cool things that they're going into.
It's all like think about like a GPS. It's all guided navigation. So when the robots go, there's a big screen that goes up top and it shows exactly where the instruments need to go, where the implants get inserted.
To me, it's a part of being art.
It's an ever-changing environment when it comes to the technology. You know, it's always advancing and you can advance along with it.
And a raw piece of material, whether it's plastic, titanium, aluminum, steel, whatever, and making a part out of it.
Well, now that we know more about medical robotics and manufacturing, all we need to know is how to make a robot to help us with the surgery.
Wait, I have a little gift from Arch Medical Solutions. This is the Arch Bot 3000.